So you went to UCLA?
I did for like 9 months.
And then you lost concentration?
I didn't like it. I missed New York, and I didn't make any friends, and it's kind of embarrassing to talk about now in front of everybody.
I had some dead years.
Yeah, no, I had really dead years. I'd say like from 17, 18, really from 0 to...
Now?
0 to 28 weren't that great.
Because?
Because I just was finding myself.
You were not popular.
I'm still finding myself.
Did you ever go back to anybody who treated you bad and go, remember me?
No, because the people who treated me badly, I think, like I deserved to be treated badly. I think...
Were you obnoxious?
I think I was a little obnoxious.
Do you ride one of these chopper? I can't
actually,
even say chopper. I'm embarrassed.
I do, yeah. In the movie, I do, yeah.
Are you playing this guy macho?
No, yeah, well, you know, Starsky was pretty macho. Yeah, that's it.
Really
yeah.
macho. Thank you.
I mean, he is kind of a macho guy.
I mean, do you walk with your legs a little wider apart in this than you ever had before?
I'm naturally bow-legged, so I don't have that problem.
But that's
My legs are always wide apart.
very, very sexy, because it looks like you actually can't get them together.
I can't.
No, I know, but I wouldn't have thought because of bow leg. I thought because of equipment. 18, what was the worst problem?
I had bad skin.
Could you pull women as a youth?
No, I just pulled myself mainly.
But those are always the best developed people later on. Got those great...
I'm left-handed.
Got those great pecs.
I hated high school so much. I hated it.
Were you ever tortured?
I was, tortured myself.